been an absolutely crazy, bonkers week. Let me tell you about it. This is a massive hole in the very middle of the roof of my home gym shed. 2 days ago, I was sitting right over here at my desk, editing some photos, and this massive crack happened. And I thought that we were getting hit by lightning. It was so loud, and a split second later, the room around me just exploded. I mean, everything shook, the lights flickered, and just dust and everything crashed through the air as a massive tree, not just a limb, but the trunk, fell straight through my roof, right through the middle of my shed, slicing through the roof like butter, and it cut this channel that you can see from over here all the way across to over here.
This just happened 2 minutes ago. My heart's still pounding. A tree fell through my shed.
Right behind me, like 4 feet behind my head. Wow, what a wake-up call.
It came very close to killing me. And I'm grateful to be alive.
I'll just say this, that you think you have tomorrow, you think that, you're just going about your day, and you never know. You never know what could happen. Never saw this coming. There was no warning. There was no preparation. It happened just like that. So don't take today for granted. Appreciate everything. I'm just gonna say this too. Don't wait to make your soul right with the Lord, because you don't know. You don't know how much time you have. I had literally just moved into the shed like 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks! Not even 2 weeks. And a tree comes crashing through the roof. Look at this. Luck's still good. This is for you, Jocko. Good. Get after it. But listen, we're gonna rebuild it. I'm gonna fix it, because that's what we're all about. That's what it means to build, lift, grow. As we talk about all the time here, relentless optimism, confidence. Something good is going to come from this. I know that God is faithful to turn everything into good for those who love Him. Challenges and setbacks are where we grow. Not part of my plans, but still good. And so we're going to build, fix things. We're going to take action and keep driving forward. We're going to keep lifting, obviously. Hitting a workout here in the gym again. Just a day or two later, we were able to get everything cleaned up and back functional, operational, thanks to some friends. And that to me is the grow part as well, is community, relationships, growing with other people who rally around you in times like these, which was just a massive, massive blessing. Figured I would share this with you guys. This is real life, the real shed update. I was hoping to make a walkthrough video, and then this happened. So figure that out. That'll hopefully come in the future. But for now, maybe I'll make a video of fixing the roof, because ridiculous. And we have a hurricane today. Hurricane Helen is coming through. Hopefully these tarps from Harbor Freight hold up. We'll see. But until next time, go build, lift, and grow. See ya. I just stubbed my toe on that weight.